Now let us look at the concept of value. So value is the importance, the worth or usefulness of something. So by definition, that is it. What we get, what we receive out of something. There is something called there is a concept called value chain in operations management. So what is a value chain? The entire set of activities that a business house undertakes in order to add value to something, to a resource. So that includes everything. So the entire set of activities that adds value, that adds the worth to a resource is the value chain of that particular product or service. Now we need to find out which are the functions that adds value and which are the functions that doesn't add value. So in order to do that, we need to analyze the total process systematically. So that particular method that we utilize to find out the total value chain is called value analysis. So in value analysis, we can also find which are the wasteful activities. Taking it a step further, there is something called value engineering. So once you do value analysis, you will understand what are the functions and what are the deficiencies of the system. The modification of designs of the systems according to value analysis and are done in this particular stage called value engineering. So that is value engineering is a systematic method to improve the value of goods. So this is where the total process becomes systematized. So we actually call it in that way. Okay. By using an examination function, which is a measurement function. So we measure things properly in order to do the engineering process. So once you once you decide on adding value to something, you need to measure whether you have done it. So in order to do that, you need to do continuous inspection and things like that. So that is happening through value engineering process. Now this is another concept that we already discussed, the concept of progression of value. So over the past say 200 300 years, if you look into the area of business, there are there are major transition that has happened in the field of business. So we were living in an age of commodities. Then it slowly in the age of commodities, transportation added value to businesses. Then we transition to products, where we process these commodities into products, something into things that we term as products. So products, that processing added value to resources. Then we moved to the age of services, where not only products, we started delivering various aspects of products particularly to customers. So those services started adding value, and now we are living in a age where experiences are adding value to a company's processes. So as said, these are some basic concepts with respect to operations management.